saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange.
Welcome back to my channel for another all day clean with me. Today's video is packed with cleaning motivation to help you get motivated to tackle your homes as well, so you can clean right along with me. As you can see today, I am starting off in the bedroom by taking away the cups and glasses from yesterday and just making the bedroom look a little bit more put together by making the bed and freshening it up, taking away any laundry that needs doing, because I absolutely love having a fresh bedroom and a made bed at the end of the day. So I'm just going to start off by doing the bedroom, then I will head down, do the kitchen and the living room, and there's also a big bathroom deep clean in today's video as well. So it is jam-packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle yours as well. But before we get started, today's video is a collaboration with Ethiopia from Lovely at Home by Ethiopia, and I am super excited to share her channel with you guys today. She has lots of cleaning motivation over on her channel, and she also has hair tutorials, face masks, beauty, and she also shares some gorgeous recipes. So she really does have something for everybody. She's also doing an all day clean with me as part of this collaboration today. So once you've finished watching today's video, do be sure to go and check hers out as well. And don't forget to leave her a comment letting her know that you came from here, and also subscribe to her channel if you haven't already, because I know that she would absolutely love to have you a part of her little family as well. If you are new here from Ethiopia's channel, hi, my name's Amanda and I post cleaning, decluttering and organisation motivation every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 o'clock, and I would absolutely love for you to stick around by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave me a comment as well letting me know that you're new here so I can say hello and get to know you guys a little bit better. But right now, let's just jump straight into today's video.
Switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid.
So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the washing up that I left yesterday. I think it's always the way, once you've done washing up, there's always more to be done. So even though I did do it yesterday, there's more straight away. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish that. Then wipe down the sides, wipe down all the cabinets and just give it a good clean. At the moment, I am just using Tesco's own brand of the anti-bac spray, and it works a treat. It smells lovely. So yeah, I've just got the Tesco's own, nothing fancy, and it works wonders. So I'm just going to go through and wipe everything down, clean everything off and get it nice and fresh for the day before we move on to the living room.
We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was baby, it was. Right now, I'm looking at an old picture of you. Skinny jeans and blue eyes that could light up every room.
I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who entered into my Instagram giveaway. I was just blown away by how much support and love that got, and it really does mean the world to me to have you here. If you didn't win this time, I will be posting another one next month, so do be sure to head over and give me a follow over on Instagram as well. I will have the link and everything that you need down in the description below.
You and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was. Baby, it was. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We can never.
So now I've gone ahead and wiped everything down, done all the cupboards and the cabinets and everything. I'm going to go ahead and put the washing up away. I always do the washing up first so it has time to dry when I clean the rest of the room. So now I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and put it all away. Get everything in here sorted and finished so I can move on to the living room. I don't really like leaving the room until it's completely done. So I am going to finish up in the kitchen before heading through into the living room. But that is a little bit of a mess today, so I need to sort that out, get it all tidied, do my everyday cleaning routine along with the hoovering. I'm also going to be cleaning the patio doors today. Because of the good weather, we have been going out even more, so that door is just getting completely covered in fingerprints and smudges and everything, so that needs a good clean as well. So now I've done in the kitchen, I'm just going to head through and sort out the living room.
Taking my time to begin with, on and on and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know, breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach.
I'm still absolutely in love with having a cordless hoover. If you've been on my channel a while, you would have seen how big and bulky my previous hoover was. It was a really good hoover, so we have kept it just in case we need it, because it is a good hoover, we don't want to get rid of it. But this one is just so much easier for me to use because it's so much more lightweight. So if there's any mud that's been brought in or I need to quickly do the stairs, it is just so easy to grab and go. So I absolutely love this hoover. It is linked down in the description below, along with a few other things around the house like my air purifiers and radiator cover and things like that. I do have everything linked in the description box of my videos, so if you did want to purchase anything or check anything out, it is all linked for you in the description down below. So now I've done all the hoovering in the living room and the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and do the patio doors with the Method Gloss spray. It smells amazing, and if you've been on my channel for a little while, you know that I am a sucker for a good fragrance. I absolutely love my house to smell fresh and clean, and this is just absolutely beautiful. It's in the scent mint, so it is just so refreshing and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that all down, clean it all off and make it nice and fresh. So it is now the next day. I decided to stop there and carry on the next day because for some reason I thought it would be a good idea to do a whole house clean on the hottest day that the UK has ever seen, and I just ended up being a complete sweaty mess. So I thought I would wait until the next day because it was supposed to be cooler, but obviously the weather's never right and it was just as hot. But this bathroom couldn't have been left any longer. It's an absolute state. So I'm just going to go ahead, clean it all off, wipe it all down, and just getting it looking a little bit more put together, smelling a lot better, looking more inviting, and just sorting everything out. So when I first started doing deep cleans of this bathroom, I did used to pull everything out before going in and cleaning it, but I was just running out of room. There wasn't anywhere to put anything, so now I always just do it section by section, and I always start with the windowsill for some reason. I get that all cleaned off, wipe everything down, put everything back, and then I can start on this shelf here and clean the mirror and everything. I am just using the bleach spray because I think it smells amazing, so I'm going to go in with the bleach spray, bleach everything off, do the sink, do the toilet, and then do the shower and the shower screen, like the shower doors and the floors and everything as well, and just give it a good clean because it doesn't get it that often. I'm not gonna lie, it's sort of once every few weeks I'll go in and give it a good deep clean, but in between that it just gets like wipe downs rather than big cleans. So once every few weeks it does get a good deep clean.
You in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me reckless.
So now everything's had a good clean, I'm going to go in and do the shower doors with the white vinegar spray and the washing up liquid. But I have been told that you can get a spray that you spray on after you've showered and just leave it on, and it leaves it all clean basically, and I can't for the life of me remember what that product is. So if any of you know what I'm talking about, please do let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I can't remember what it is, but you can get a spray that you just spray on once you've showered and it stops all the marks and everything, which would be amazing. but my memory is that bad. I can't for the life of me remember which one it was, what it is that I need to get. So please do let me know down in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. But this does work wonders as well, the white vinegar and the washing up liquid. It just leaves it super shiny, and I actually find it really satisfying putting it all on. I don't know why, but it's really therapeutic for me. So I do enjoy doing it this way, and it does get a good scrub, a good deep clean, and it just makes it feel really fresh afterwards. So I do always leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Sometimes I'll continue to clean the bathroom while I wait, but it was so hot on this day that I just took a quick break and then came back to it after about 10 minutes. I'm then going to carry on cleaning the outside of the shower doors along with doing the mopping as well. Like I said, it doesn't get a good deep clean as often as it should in here, so when it does, I do make sure that I'm mopping everything as well. Along with the Hoover, I am going to leave the steam mop linked in the description down below, so if you do want to go check it out, just check out my description box, click the link, and it will take you straight to the mop that I am using here. But right now I just need to get this bathroom looking a little bit more put together and get everything back in it. So I really do hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, please do leave it a thumbs up, because it really does help my channel when you do that. And also don't forget that this is a collaboration with Ethiopia, so be sure to check out her video as well. I know she'd be so grateful if you took the time to subscribe to her channel. I'll have her channel linked in the description down below, so you can just head on straight over once you've finished watching this one. Give her some love, give her a comment to let her know that you came from here, and I will see you back here in the next one.